Hey guys, this is Maple's Videos, and this is part 2 of feeding the turtles.
Nope, now it's called feeding the birds.
Well, this is part 2 of feeding the turtles, but it's called feeding the birds now.
There they are.
Now we have to be
I don't
quick.
even know what they are, but...
Wait, may I?
Yep. Here, let me see the video. Here, take some. We're going to do it quick.
Yep.
Throw it to them. Alright. I don't know what they are. Yeah, but I don't know what they're called. They're not like seagulls, and they're not pelicans. They're...
There's white birds with long beaks.
Yeah, there's some ducks in the water. Throw some in the water. Nice haircut from the back.
Oh yeah. And all that? Not all of it?
Good. What's our next venture? Oh, now they're following us.
This is probably why we should have not put them.
Alright, so now what are we off to do? Library? Go rent Aladdin?
Sure. We're gonna go and make a
Dun 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 dun. Dance! Dun 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 dun. Dance! Is that the Melee Shuffle? Dance! Alright, final words for the dance video. The bird. The dance. We're gonna call it the dancing bird video.
Let's have a race.
Alright, I'm gonna film it because I'm gonna give you the count of 1 head start, and then you'll see me pass you as I'm filming it because I have long legs.
Ready?
Go! 1. Oh, you cheated! I can't get through. Here you go. Scam.